Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making apple heart puff pastries. The ingredients that we have today are sliced apples. They're in cold water with lemon juice so they don't turn brown. I have 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of confectioner sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg for egg wash, and 1 package of puff pastry. To a medium-sized bowl, you want to add your cream cheese. You're going to add in your powdered sugar and also your vanilla extract. And we're just going to take a hand mixer and mix that together. Okay guys, you also want your cream cheese to be at room temperature before you mix it. So I just transferred it to a smaller bowl. Next, we're going to open our puff pastry. Okay guys, you want to set your oven to 350 degrees. Next, I have a heart-shaped cookie cutter. You just want to begin cutting out your hearts. Once you have your hearts cut out, you want to place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now we're going to go in with a smaller heart, and all you want to do is score it. You don't want to go all the way down. You just want to press enough to make the imprint of the second heart. Okay guys, your hearts should look like this. Now we're going to take our cream cheese filling and we're just going to place it into the second heart. Okay guys, once you have your cream cheese filling onto your puff pastries, we're going to go ahead and get our apples, and you want to dry them off completely. Okay guys, all you want to do is get about 6 slices, and you want to put 3 on each side of the heart. Okay guys, once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and get our egg wash. We're just going to brush it on the edge of our puff pastry. Now they're ready to go into our oven, 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our apple heart puff pastry with the cream cheese filling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.